Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Persistent cough without fever could still indicate a serious health issue. Conditions like asthma, GERD, or chronic bronchitis may cause such a symptom. If the cough persists for more than a few weeks or is accompanied by symptoms like weight loss, blood, or shortness of breath, seek medical attention promptly.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.